Hey guys, it's Billy, and it is that time of year again. It is Halloween.
Scary season. Monsters. Ghosts. I can't take it! George doesn't like monsters very much.
So we're gonna kick off the spirit of Halloween, and we're gonna go ghost hunting.
I think there's a monster outside, guys!
George!
There's a monster out there!
It's alright.
There's a monster out there! Make him go away! Make him go away!
George really doesn't like the fall season. Halloween, he doesn't like it because he's just scared of monsters. But considering it's fall, he's on a lot of allergy meds, which make him very psychologically scary.
Hi, I'm Kyle. I usually don't watch these geeks, but I have nothing better to do on Halloween because my parents are out of town and all my friends hate me. So, yeah, thought I might have some fun.
Okay guys, we're gonna go down this door into the basement where we are going to hunt ghosts.
Last time we went ghost hunting in this basement, I soaked my pants 5 times.
Oh, I gotta pee.
5 times!
I was reading this magazine, and it said that if you play ukulele music really quietly, it's really scary.
See, me and my friend here, we've known each other for a while.
It's Brian.
Brian, we've known each other for a while, and we decided that we would scare his friends.
Everyone else.
This basement is haunted because there was this guy here, and he was playing cards, and he missed and cut his throat, and he died twice. Oh, and one more thing. His favorite instrument ever was the ukulele. And so, if you hear a ukulele playing, that means his ghost is coming.
George, we've been really scared because all of a sudden Kyle and Brian disappeared. Oh, we've been hearing ukulele for the past 5 minutes.
This is like the funnest thing ever. Like, they're sitting in there crying, and they have no idea that I'm just sitting here playing the ukulele. Oh.
Kurt's missing also.
So far, I got my pants wet 6 times.
That's more than usual.
What was that?
I've just been throwing pool balls for the past 5 minutes. It's hilarious.
Scared.
George, listen to me. We have to leave. We can't stay here.
How will we leave?
We have to get up now.
Okay. Let's get out! You know, we're scaring these two, but I'm pretty sure there were 3 of them when they came down.
So we scared 2 of them now. We're gonna wait for that 3rd one, Kurt, to come by and hide in this room. We're up. pop out and scare him.
Yeah.
This is gonna be great. They're gonna win their game.
Oh my gosh. Kyle?
Yeah.
I don't remember shutting the door.
Brian, I think there's someone in here with us. Oh my gosh. I think I hear him breathing. Brian, hold me.
Oh god. Oh god. I gotta go. Oh my gosh.
You guys are.
Where's Kurt?